Hello everyone, I am Ashwin and today I am going to give you an overview of Gmail and its features. First of all, open your web browser, and here I have opened my Google Chrome browser and I am typing in Gmail and click on the first link you get. So you'll be redirected to a page wherein you can sign in if you have any account, or if you don't have an account you can create an account, and it is very easy to do it. Just click on the button and next you'll be directed to a page wherein you need to fill a form which contains some blocks where you need to give your details like your first and last names, and you can choose an email ID you wish to have for your account. For example, I'm giving my first name as XYZ, and here in the last name we can give us some ABC. Next, if you want a username, then for example I can give us XYZ and ABC. So you can see here your domain will be the gmail.com, and if you are using the mail from any organization point of view, then you can have your domain as the rate of your organization name.com. Next, you can give some password for your account, and you can confirm your password here by retapping it, and then you should give your date of birth details and your gender, whether if you're a male or a female. And next you need to give your phone number, and here in this column we need to give if you have already associated your account with any other Gmail IDs. So next you need to verify your identity, whether you are a robot or a human. Next, you need to specify your location. Currently, it is India by default. Next, you need to check this agree to the Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, and next click the next step button. Then your account will be created. Since I've already had my account, I'll directly sign into it. I've entered my user ID and password, and as soon as I log in here, I'll get my page. First of all, looking at the page, we can simply divide the page into four parts based on our convenience. The first part is the leftmost part in the page, wherein you have several labels which with one button to compose, and several labels for inbox, start, importance, email, and I'll let you know all these things later. And the second part is that the list of mails received by you, or you can say as all the mails which are being sent or received by you. And the third part is the settings thing, which is on the right side of the page, and inside this there are several terms which I'll explain later. And then top of the page, you can have your you can view your account details, and you can even have one photo like I have a one. And you can also change your account and privacy settings like changing the passwords, and also you can even manage your Google Plus profile. Google Plus profile, in the sense your all Google activity can be monitored from this page, and even you can also manage other Google apps like the Google search and sites, drive, groups, contacts, and all. So basically these are four categories, or you can say as four areas that mainly stuck as soon as we enter this page. And first of all, let me explain the leftmost part. In this, first of all, you have a mail, and beside that you can see an arrow. Then by looking at this, you have three options here. One is mail, as the mail is the details of mails, of the mails received and sent by you can view here. If you go to the contacts, then you can see that all that contacts you have currently in your account. And if you go to the task in the sense the task which you have planned to do at a particular time, and I'll tell you about this later in my next videos. For the time being, let's go to the mail again, and next you can see here a compose mail. This is intended mainly to create a new mail. And next, inbox in the sense the list of mails you have received from all your contacts. And start in the sense if you want to select any particular mail and keep it for referring in the future. For example, you can star a mail by simply clicking on the star button given here, and when you have clicked on star button you can automatically view this mail in the starred list. So similarly, you have important mails. What is important in sense if you want any conversation with any particular person to be marked as important, just go here and click on this button, and then this conversation has been marked as important. So if we check this one here, yes, we can look the important here. So what is the main difference between start and important mails? You see, start is just for in the case that we need to explicitly mention which mail is to be start, but important actually it tells I mean the Gmail understands that if we mark it as an important in the future also, that particular contact or that particular conversation will be important and it will be not marked as spam. In some cases, even some of our important the things which are required for us are also marked as spam mails even without a knowledge. So for that case we need to mention the important mails for our future use. Next, you can see here the send mail. In the send mail, you can see the mails which are sent by you. And next, drafts. Drafts are the mails which are not sent by you, but you just click the compose button, but not sent. So this will be the saved as drafts. And circles in sense the various circles you have created on the Google Plus. I mean the friends, or else you can create as a family circle. All these involve the circles, and I mean all the contacts. And if we click on the more button, can see several more things like chats instance, the recent chats we have done with your contacts, and all mail instance, all the mail including inbox, outbox, everything will be given in the mail. And next, spam in the sense the mails which are to be considered as inappropriate and insecure. And trash folder contains the mails which are deleted by you, and the mails in trash will be stored for 30 days and will be automatically deleted if they are not restored. We can restore within the 30 days of from trash, or else it will be deleted. Next, the second part of the page is, yes, we can see here this part. So this first of all, look at these things. These categories generally used for organizing our mails into different categories. So first of all, I have here three categories: primary mail, social, and promotions. What does this stand for? I mean, each category stands for a particular type of mail you get from various sources. Like in social, you'll get updates of all your social networks, and like YouTube, or even if you have a Facebook account, then you'll get the Facebook updates. And also in the promotions, if you have any promotions you have, or if you are registered for any promotional activities, then those mails will be covered. And thing is, you can also categorize even to a larger extent, like you can add updates and also forums in the categories. Like, okay, fine, Yeah, see, the two things are added here, like, and see, the thing is, if we have already seen these things according to the things here, we can see the contents changing here. If you click the inbox, if you look at the inbox, then these are the inbox, then sent mail, actually it's empty enough, but you can see the send mail here. And right, coming to the third thing, here's its settings. If you click on a gear button here, you can see a lot of settings here. First of all, display density. You can I mean, it is to change the compactness of your Gmail inbox. I mean, to mention how many mails are to be placed inside a single box at a single time. So if you place a comfortable, then it will be a bit larger and you can change accordingly. And like we have seen this, the categories from directly in the page, or you can even change the categories list from this configure inbox like this, or even I can remove forums now. Yeah, see, the forum is being removed, so it is another way of accessing the categories. And next we can have settings here. Like, see, there are a lot of things in settings. So the basic things are language, you can choose anything, and the country, and the maximum mails per page. And there are things like browser connections and display all, default text size, conversation view, starts. You see the start things. So the start mails can be categorized as 1 star, 4 stars, and all stars. And you can even also have your customized colors for the stars. And you can also have chat notifications and keyboard shortcuts, which we'll be discussing in our future videos, and labels. And you can have the private privacy settings of your picture and signature. In sense, if you are it is like letting the people know, I mean, who you are sending the mails to, know from where you send, or any extra information about your mail or even you. Next, yeah, vacation respond is another important feature. This instance, if you are on a vacation, or even if you are unavailable for such a certain period of time, this content will be automatically replied to your contacts if you received any email from them. And you can change the encoding feature, and here you have labels and inbox accounts filters, and we'll be seeing in the coming videos. And the fourth part is that here you can all do your account things. As I've said earlier, you can manage your pages. Like, first of all, you can view your page in the viewing profile on your Google Plus page. So this is my page, and can also have privacy settings or account settings, and you can even change the photo. You can even add another account along with your existing account, and you can even sign out from this. And here's the notification centers for your account, and these are the various apps that can be accessed by your account, and there are even more apps. Fine. So we can even customize our look of our Gmail page by changing the themes. Like, you have various colors here, and you can choose anything from this, and various backgrounds, so you can choose one from them. So this is it for friends in this video, and we'll see much detail about all the features in our upcoming videos. Thank you.